Hey there, Bublup users. Exciting times are ahead because we've introduced a game-changing feature, email collection folders. Ready to boost your community engagement? Let's dive right in. Step 1, navigate to folder settings in the folder menu. Easy, right? Now flip that switch and toggle on email collection. For Mailchimp, you need your API key, server, and audience ID. Head over to your Mailchimp profile and find these details under Account and Billing, Extras, API keys, and create a new key. Now give your API key any name you like, then generate key. The long part before the dash is the API key. The small bit after the dash is the server ID. Be sure to save this API key somewhere secure. Once you hit done, you won't be able to see it entirely. Now for the audience ID. You'll find that under All Contacts, Settings, Audience Name and Defaults, and the audience ID will be highlighted. Now just paste those corresponding values into Bublup's email collection folder settings. And guess what? If you want to add tags, go for it. Just make sure they're separated by commas. Voila, you're all set. Now anyone who uses an invite link to enter your folder will be asked for their email. How cool is that? Get ready to build stronger connections with your community using Bublup's email collection folders.